Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Over the Table. Today I'm going to be showing you a little short film that I made a little while back. So grab some popcorn, grab a couple friends, sit back, and enjoy.
You ready to go get some sharks? Let's do it. Let's go. Oh my god. Dude, I don't know. Go check it. Stop. Check the wires down there. How's everything feel?
Everything's good.
Nothing wrong?
No?
Why didn't it just kick off?
I don't know.
What was that? Something hit me. Maybe we hit something else. I don't know. Dude, you might have to go and look real quick. Let's see. I don't know. Dude, I think you have to get in the water because we're not moving and I need you in there. Alright. I don't know. Dude, there's definitely something under the boat. What? Dude, there's something in the water. Dude, I'm telling you that I saw something on the radar. I don't think that you should. Dude, what? Dude, there's something behind you. Dude, come on, get back to the boat! Come on! Dude, I told you to get back! Let's go! It's gone. I'm gonna catch you. Revenge my friend.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my little short film. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button right down here. I got a ton of product review videos coming out to you guys shortly. If you want to check out the product review playlist, it's up there. And if you want to check out the last product I reviewed, it's up there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.